Hey crafty friends, today I'm going to show you all the items you can get from the Simon Hurley Timeless Trees collection from Spellbinders. This die set is called Mantel Village and includes a floating shelf, 2 houses, as well as 2 trees. Second, we have the Mantel decor set. You have this flag banner with letters that spell Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas, 2 reindeer, 3 hanging stockings, each has their own pattern, branches and holly at the bottom. These first 2 sets can be purchased individually but also as a set together. They really work well together and I would recommend the set. We have the vintage layered ornament set, which includes 3 ornaments of different sizes and patterns, and there are 3 different dies for the tops of the ornaments that you can turn these into actual ornaments or gift tags. Next is the classic Christmas tree set. It includes the tree branches, outline, and ornaments, and 3 different sizes of presents, ribbon, and bow dies. The final die set in the collection is the Whimsical bottle brush set. You have 2 sets of branches and 3 tree vases. Now for the 3D embossing folders. This first one is called Branches, where you can see it looks like the branches on a Christmas tree. And this folder also comes with a die to cut out the branches if you would like to use them as die cuts. Bark is the name of the second 3D embossing folder and has this lovely pattern of tree bark. Now you have seen the full collection, and I will put links in the description below if you would like to add these to your collection. Hit that subscribe button to be notified of future crafty videos. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day.